Offshore wind turbines are installed at a rate of 100 per year. Their operation creates underwater noise that affects marine life. Environmental rules require noise below 160 decibels at 750 meters. Current systems rely on imported bubble curtains. They need diesel-powered air supply and maintenance. There is no local alternative. NCSIST has developed a domestic underwater noise-reducing material. It uses a rubber base, special fillers, and a sound-blocking design. Tests confirmed a 12 to 15 decibel noise reduction. It performs better than bubble curtains. It allows faster piling work. The passive design saves energy and cuts emissions. It is reusable. It supports circular economy goals.